Hi, hello, welcome. So, importance of computers. This is the first question, and the first question is about the first lesson in the book. Complete the following diagram, which shows basic functions of a computer. So, the basic functions of a computer A, B, and C are input, process, and output. Correct. Select the correct answer and write the relevant English alphabetical letter in the space given. So there are three questions and there are three answers. And the first one, what is known as input in a computer? Here, any method which is used to spend out data processed by the computer system, any method which is used to feed data into a computer system, a method which can be used to store data. So they are asking what is known as input in computer. So input in computer means whatever the thing, it is a method which you, so it is B. Any method which is used to feed data into the computer system is called as input. We are feeding. What is known as output in a computer? It is A, any method which is used to send out data processed by the computer system. What is known as storage in a computer? A method which can be used to store data. So B, A, and C. Next one. Write three examples for input devices. This is activity 1.2. Write three examples for input devices. So you can write any input device you can see or you know. I wrote keyboard, mouse, and joystick. So I wrote joystick because most of the students most of the students don't know what is a joystick. These are joysticks. Can you see? Write three examples for output devices. Monitor, printer, speaker, all these are in the book. The next one, identify storage devices in the picture. So there are some storage devices. So the A, it is an internal hard disk. B is external hard disk. Okay. B is external hard disk. C is pen drive. D is C compact disk. E is random access memory, RAM. Name the devices shown below. There are some devices, okay? So these devices are, we learned these devices and also I told you to draw these devices. So A is printer, B monitor, E or screen. Monitor or screen. C system unit or SU. D microphone, E mouse, F keyboard, G speakers. C is not CPU. The CPU is inside the system unit. Can you remember I told you the CPU is central processing unit. It is a part inside the system unit. This is the system unit because inside the system unit there are parts. For an example, the RAM is inside the system unit. The CPU is inside the system unit. The ROM is inside the system unit. Understood? So there are a collection of devices inside the system unit. That's why it is called as system unit. It is a system. It holds a lot of devices or a lot of things inside the system unit. So CPU is a part inside the system unit. Categorize the devices correctly and write in the following grid. So they have the picture above, okay? Looking at the picture above, what you should do? You should categorize all these things in the grid. Okay. So as in, we'll see. First one is printer. It is an output device. Monitor screen is an output device. System unit is other. Microphone is an input device. Mouse is an input device. Keyboard is an input device. Speakers is an input device. So the next question. I told you last week, right? The question is based on the school computer laboratory. So at the moment, you can't go to the computer laboratory and see what are the devices there, right? So prepare a list of devices which can be seen in a school computer laboratory in addition to the above devices. Router, multimedia projector, joystick, trackball, and floppy disk. Ivangale edungale. Okay. Plotter is not used in school computer, right? Computer lab. So what is a router? Router என்னன்னு செய்யற? It is a communication device. அது வந்து எங்களுக்கு இன்டர்நெட்டுக்கு கனெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு உதவுறே. So எங்களுக்கு கம்யூனிகேட் பண்றதுக்கு. To communicate, it helps us. Multimedia projector, you know now. Joystick also you know. So what is a trackball? Shall I show you a trackball? So the trackball is a kind of mouse. It is like a mouse. Now the laptop, does it has another mouse, okay, and there is an attached mouse, right? The mouse pad on thane. There is a mouse pad. Fine. So trackball, we don't move the mouse. Now the mouse we are moving, right, to the pointer to move the pointer which is in the screen. See, this is the pointer, right? If this pointer should move, we should move the mouse, right? But the trackball, we no need to move the trackball. We just move the ball on that. See, there is a ball, right, on here. This is a ball. So what we do, we don't move the whole mouse or whole device. We just roll the ball here, this ball, and the mouse pointer will go here and there. And the other one is floppy disk. Floppy disk, it is not in use now, right? It is a storage device. You remember what is a storage device, like CD, DVD, pen drive, Blu-ray disc, okay, and hard disk. These are storage devices, right? So before the CDs and DVDs, people use this floppy disk, but now floppy disks are not available. Okay, it is not available now. Modern devices has come. So before they used floppy disk, it is not means the capacity is low of the floppy disk. You can't save many things in the floppy disk like you save in the CDs. Okay,
Yes.
only small space is there in the floppy disk. So now you know, right? Floppy disk, you can't find floppy disk nowadays because it is old. So it is gone now. Right, good. Let's go to the other slide. Right. Next one. So categorize the devices correctly and write in the following grid. So now categorize the given one which you wrote here. For an example, the router, it should come in others, right? Wait, I will show you. Sorry. Router. Joystick.
Mouse.
Trackball. Mouse is already there.
Modem.
Modem also you can use it. A modem, you should write it like MODEM.
Keyboard.
Keyboard also was there, right? In the picture. Picture like keyboard irundichi thane. So don't write the keyboard. Here in this grid, you should write down the wait. You should write down the answers which you got it to the sixth one. Sixth one le edu irundo adathan neenga vandu inga eludonum. You want to know what is a modem? Okay, I will show you the modem also. Trackball, joystick, and floppy disk here.
Madam.
Yes.
Keyboard.
Keyboard is already there. அங்க படத்துல இல்லாதது எழுதணும். Understood? So wait.
Teacher, படத்துல print இந்த
Yes, படத்துல printer இருந்து அதனால printer எழுதவானு. So these are the new list which you can see. Sorry. There is something missing. Wait. Okay. So
teacher,
yes.
output devices la printer.
Okay. First of all, you should understand the question and answer.
Teacher.
Yes, wait, I will explain you. இப்ப இந்த questionல question number 5ல this question 6ல படத்துல தந்திந்த தானே சில answers, அதாவது சில படங்கள் தந்திந்த தானே pictures. இந்த pictures தான் நாங்க வந்து இந்த gridல see இந்த gridல நிரப்போணுமெண்டு அவங்க சொன்ன. ஓகே, அது கிளியரா everyone? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. After that அவங்க இது அந்த படங்களை பார்த்துட்டு இங்க நிரப்பி முடிஞ்சதுக்கு பிறகு அவங்க 6th question ஒன்று கேட்டிக்கிற உங்களுடைய ஸ்கூல் கம்ப்யூட்டர் லெபோரட்டரியில அந்த தந்தி இந்த பிக்சர்ஸ்ல இல்லாம அடிஷன் டிவைசஸ் என்ன சரி ஈக்கிறண்டா எழுத சொல்லி in a school computer laboratory in addition to the above devices. மேல இருக்கிற devices இல்லாம வேற என்ன சரி devices ஈக்கிறண்டா எழுத சொன்ன. சோ நாங்க எழுதின router, multimedia projector, joystick, trackball, floppy disk, சிலவங்க optical pen என்று சொன்ன, modem என்று சொன்ன. நான் modem காட்டுறேன். அடுத்தது லைட் பென் என்று சிலவங்க சொன்ன. சோ இவங்க எல்லாரும் வந்து அந்த பிக்சர்ல இல்லாதவங்க தானே. இப்ப இந்த 6th questionல ஈக்கிற ஆன்சர்ஸ எங்க எழுத செல்ற 7th question. இது இந்த இடத்துல 7th அண்டு வரணும். 7thல உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கிரிட் ஒன்று தந்திக்கிற இன்னொன்று, isn't it? சோ அந்த கிரிட்ல தான் நீங்க இந்த ஆன்சர்ஸ் எழுதணும். Blu-ray disc, you can write down the Blu-ray disc also. Blu-ray discum CD மாதிரியே தான். ஆனா இதுல வந்து இப்ப CD-ல இப்ப செல்லமே 3 ரூம் மாதிரி. CD-ல right? இப்ப செல்லமே CD and ஒரு ரூம் ஒண்டிக்கிறேன். If there is a room, if the CD is a room, in that room only 5 people or 5 person can live in that room. Okay? If we consider the DVD as a room, in the DVD we can put like 20 people. In the Blu-ray room, we can put 100 people. So what is the difference here? The capacity, the size. Okay, we can store more. நிறைய ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிலும் அதுதான் வித்தியாசம். பேர் வித்தியாசமா வந்திருக்கிற. And the modem, I will show you the modem. Modem, there is a big story. Don't ask it now because it is little bit confused for you if I tell you. So get the modem as it provides the internet. அது வந்து இன்டர்நெட்டை ப்ரொவைட் பண்ற. உங்களுக்கு இன்டர்நெட்டுக்கு கனெக்ட் ஆகணுமா? if you want to connect to the internet, use a modem. So nowadays modems are not there, but you know the router, right? Router ஒன்று தார தெரியும் தானே? From the SLT dialog, there is a router. If you want to connect to the computer, they give a router. Now let's go to the next question. Write 5 examples for embedded computer devices that are used in day-to-day life. So many of the students who sent me the answers, some of them were correct, some of them were wrong. And now washing machine, television, and for some people I told to change the answer, right? Not to write down which is in the book. Bookla illada embedded devices eludha senne nan. So I will give you some embedded computer devices here. What is embedded computer devices? Embedded computer devices mean whatever the device, okay, which runs with a program is embedded computer device. For an example, Electronic safe. Do you know electronic safe? Shall I show you what is an electronic safe? There are some electronic safes at home, right? Electronic safe. Locker, we say as locker. In that locker, there is a number pad, right? See here. So after we input the password only, the locker will open. So in the locker, there is an embedded computer device. And write these things also. Okay, let me go to the last question. Now you should mention 3 advantages of using embedded computer devices. So make work easier. These systems are highly stable and reliable. Good, Akis. Also correct. Another one, fast operation. We can operate it very fast, right? Now, if you want to open the AC, you can operate it fast. If you want to wash your clothes, you can operate the washing machine fast. So, fast operations and easy to manage. Until we will meet again at the next class, thank you for joining the class and have a nice day, everyone.